Come join us as we check out ice at the Gaylord Palms Hotel in Orlando, Florida. But before we get started, now is a great time to subscribe to our channel. Since it's kept at 90 degrees, they give everyone parkas to help you keep warm. But you should still bring gloves and a hat. Their first stop is Christmas Around the World. Now, we're going on the ice slides. You need to sit on your parka or you won't slide well. Entering the North Pole. Are you naughty or nice? We love pandas. The last room is an ice-carved nativity scene. In case we missed anything, here's a quick recap of ice. How about we head over to the other side of the Alpine Village for some snow tubing? This was my favorite. And there's still more to do, like throwing snowballs. Check out the gift shop. And there's a Build-A-Bear workshop. A place to decorate cookies. And of course, meet both Santa and Mrs. Claus. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below and let us know in the comments what you thought was the best part. And don't forget to check out our channel for more things to do when visiting Florida. Thanks for watching! Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to our Endless Summer channel.